Hi friends and welcome. A set is an important data type in Python. It can store multiple items, just like lists, dictionaries, and tuple. But items in a set must be unique. This means a set is particularly useful when you do not want duplicate data. In this course, we will explore the set data type and its associated methods and operations. We will also explore concepts like set union, intersection, and others. Without any delay, let's get started. We can create a set by enclosing its elements within curly braces separated by commas. Let's declare a variable called set_a equals 5, 6, 7, 8. The items in set_a are 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now let's print out the value of the variable. Print set a. We can also print out the type of the variable. Type set a. Let's execute the program. Great. The type of the variable as shown is a set. The good part is that if we include duplicate values when declaring a set, all the duplicates are automatically removed when the set is created. Let's try to include duplicate values like 5, 6, and 7. So now let's execute the program again and see the output. Despite all the duplicate values we included, the final set is unique. Remember that elements within a set must be unique. Python sets should not be confused with dictionaries. Dictionaries are key value pairs enclosed within curly braces. We should also note that mutable data types such as lists and dictionaries are not allowed to be used as elements in a set. String, number, boolean, and tuple are examples of data type that can be stored in a set. Another way to create a set is by using the set function. It takes any iterable object such as a list, string, or tuple. Let's declare a variable set_b equals set. Now let's pass a list to it. 1, 2, 3. Print set b. Print type set b. Let's execute the program and see what happens. Great. The type of the variable created is a set. Remember that we can pass any other iterable to it. Let's pass a tuple to the set function and see what we have as the output. We simply need to change the square brackets. So now let's run the program and see what we have. The type of the variable created is a set, and the value we pass to the set function is a tuple. We can also pass a string to it, a, b, c, c, d. Let's execute the program and see the output. Great. The type of the variable created is a set. The values inside the set are b, d, c, and a. A, b, c, c, d. A duplicate value is automatically removed when creating a set. To create an empty set in Python, we simply use the built-in set function. Empty set equals set. Let's check the type of the variable created. Print empty set. Print type of empty set. Let's execute the program. Great. The type of the variable created is a set, and this is an empty set. Using empty curly braces will only create a dictionary, not a set. Let's try that out. So now let's execute the program. Great. This is an empty dictionary, and the type of the variable created is a dict. Sets are mutable but not ordered. This means that updating an element in the set using an index value will not work. To add an element to a set, we use the add method. So let's add an element to set_a. Set_a dot add. The value we want to add will be inside the add method. Let's run the program. Great, we have successfully added a new element to the set. The update method is used to update a set with other items from other collections such as lists, tuples, or other sets. When the update method is used, all items from the collection passed are treated as individual elements within the original set. Let's declare an initial set, initial_set equals 1, 2. Now let's use the update method to update the initial set. Initial set.update. We can pass any collection type such as a list, string, tuples, or a set. So let's pass a list to the update method. 4, 5, 6. Let's print out the initial set after it has been updated. Let's execute the program and see the output. Great, the final set has been updated to include elements from the list passed to it. Let's try to use a tuple as well. Let's execute the program. Great, we get the same result. We can also make use of a string data type, ABC. Let's execute the program. All the elements are treated as individual elements within the original set. The discard method is well suited for removing an item from a set. If the item passed to this method cannot be found in the set, nothing happens. Set_a.discard. So we want to discard 2. We just need to pass 2 to the method. Print set_a. Let's run the program and see what we have. Great. The final set contains 1 and 4. The clear method removes all the elements from a set, making it empty. Let's try that out. Set_a.clear. Print set_a. We are printing set_a, that is the value of set_a after performing this operation. So let's execute the program and see the output. The value of set A is now an empty set, as we can see from the terminal. The pop method removes and returns a random element from the set. Let's try it out with an example. Set_a.pop. Let's print out the set after performing the operation. Let's execute the program and see the output. Great, the value of 4 has been removed from the original set. The pop method raises an error if the set is empty. Let's try it out. Now let's execute the program. We got a type error because the set is empty. That's all for now. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.